Ki Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukazhunduram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688998811 8012553412 73730
UMDC jangka mau kerwat konstituensi ubakarna sosyang hakalai tri ujumang arhajar arpulai la Pyrda ya kelumpung ya lekai kabalai sengi kenti kabala tip kum ka Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet na kabanta ki school ki bahab hapok kajeli jangka South West Khasi Hills District ya kabala pelong hamaran site senat maulang wir ha kabala sakilang do District Sports Officer ubak damang sengkon lembar kiwe deki officer jangka Sarkar Jila. Kidan hadu arpun tili ki skol ki balai shimenta hagani kalumpung ya lekai kabansa penkut no haka santri ujumang arhajar arpulai.
My dear student, sports and games makes you a beautiful person in life. Just remember, whenever you play sports and games, it makes you healthy. But when you are serious with sports and games, it makes you wealthy. And also, it brings you glory and fame to the world, to the society. These 3 days makes this event a successful one by your cooperation. I urge all the sports authority who will be oversee all these programs to see that students will be in good condition by providing them medical or any facilities in event. This is the best time to prove yourself, the talent that you have in you. Yes, from the curriculum, from the school, lessons, and also sports and games is part of your curriculum. Make sure this is the best time when you are in school. Remember, after you complete your school days, you will not be able to prove yourself or to utilize your talents in sports and games. I wish all the students who will be participating in different events and disciplines, make sure you get medals for your schools, for your family, for the district. And also, I would like to thank all the teachers from the concerned schools who will be able to select the students to participate in this sports meet organized by the District Sports Officer, South West Khasi Hills District. Make sure to pray God that these 3 days will guide you, protect you, and will not harm you while you are praying or participating your events. With these few words, I thank you, all of you. Thank you very much.
James Anderson Kalido of Malvern Government Higher Secondary School, wearing gate number 295 Surucha.
Finals and long
allocate 1, 2, 3.